Click on the customer option at the left side of your screen to go to the customer list. You may see the available or your recent customers data over here. So click on the create button to add a brand new one and start to insert your customer type, their name, and also their email. You may also click on the billing information to set other information from your client or customer to be added on their overall data. After you are done, click on the create button. Then you are good to go. You just add a new customer to your customer list, and you can click on this plus icon to make an invoice, payment link, and others to your brand new customer. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.